Y'all, I have never received as many compliments on my hair as I have with these purple box braids, but honestly, I get it. So let's get into this super quick tutorial so you can get some braids like these for yourself. So I know it might seem overwhelming to do your own hair like this, especially with these, medium-sized box braids. But the key to making it super manageable is actually just to section out every piece of your hair before you do a single braid. So that's what I do. I start with 4 big sections, and then I just go line by line and separate out the future braids with 2-strand twists. Loose ones, nothing too complicated. And that gives me the ability to just, when it comes time to braid, just go through it row by row by row versus having to check the mirror, look back, etc., etc. And I do the exact same thing with the kanekalon hair itself. I only used just under 6 packs for this style. And as a result, instead of it taking like 8 to 10 hours to do my hair, it takes like 4 to 6, depending on how many breaks I take and all that. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you appreciate this little tip. Subscribe to see more. Follow me on Instagram because I would love that. And I will see you on the next one.